Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Latte Makeup here, and I'm so happy you guys are here. We are about to do a latte makeup challenge situation. I don't know, but we're about to do latte challenge, and as you can see, I've got a lot of latte going on, mocha chocolate. So we're gonna try to, you know, make our face more latte-licious. Let's start. Once that's all blended, now we're gonna start with, of course, my favorite, concealer. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Incognito in Tan Deep and Kylie Jenner concealer in Chai. Then I'm gonna get a beauty blender and spray some ESTEE Lauder Set and Refresh Makeup Mist. Just try to blend as much as you can, darling. I then tried to bring up the concealer to my eye, because we're going to use some eyeshadow today. One side down, another to go. Oh, another to go. You guys know I sing, right? Back to makeup. This is why I look like this right now, because we love bright under eye in this channel. Okay. As you can see, it's as if it's like blending into my skin. That's what I really love about the Incognito. But I'm gonna add a little bit more because today is latte challenge and I really want bright under eye. A little too much, but we'll blend and figure stuff out. So next, I'm gonna add some Sephora Best Skin Ever in 61P as my foundation. Trust the process, guys, right now. Trust the process. So now I'm gonna add AIRSPUN loose face powder in translucent extra coverage. What I like to do with my translucent that helps it blend into my makeup is kind of like pat it in. Not like you're hitting your face, Jesus, no. But a little tap, tap, tap. It helps with the blend. Just keep blending, guys. I like to over blend my under eye because I like it so bright. It's like one of the most fun parts about my makeup. So a little more powder. We're doing latte. Latte reminds me of the 90s girls. So we're gonna do a little extra under eye today. Just a little. As long as it looks good in the end. So right now it can look very bright, but we're gonna blend. It looks so different. This is crazy. From when we started. It's insane. Okay. So next, I'm gonna contour a little bit. This is Fenty Beauty Contour and Espresso with the brush. Using my foundation brush. Use the tip of this. Okay, so after that, as you can see, the contouring did a little something something. Cheekbones. It did something. Never really know what contouring does. But I'm gonna take my trusty, semi-dusty-ish NICKACK eyebrow pencil in black. Brows, I kind of line it and then brush the color into my hairs. So it looks a little natural, but not really, but kind of, hopefully. And the best thing about eyebrows is knowing you can always fix them. Doesn't matter how dark you go, how horrible they look, eyebrows are fixable. I'm not the eyebrow queen, okay? As you see, I don't even pluck mine. I just let them do whatever they want to do. Okay, I went a little too bushy, but it's okay. We can always brush them out. Have hope with me, guys. Okay, now that I know I overdid my brows, I'm gonna take my trusty, any concealer at this point, and just put it above, and I'm gonna blend with my finger. So I can get it a little shaped. Much better. I don't know why I like using my finger for this part, but then I also like to take my beauty blender and blend it in. Pat, pat, pat. It makes the transition a little more seamless. And what's happening is I'm really trying to just follow my eyebrow shape. Not everyone, you know, has the same eyebrow shape, but likes their eyebrows the same. So if I wanted it a bit thinner, I would shape it thinner. But I'm going for bushy today. And I just add a little bit more and brush, brush, brush. Let me know if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, like specific eyebrow tutorial. Okay, after 10 hours of doing my brows, I'm gonna start with eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab the LA Colors eye palette that I got from beauty supply store and use this color and maybe this. We're getting into the latte now. As you can see, it's done a little something something. We're gonna put a little bit of Miami Sunshine Dark, Absolute New York dark bronzer on my eyelid. That's gonna be on our outer crease. Blend that in, blend that up just a little, just a little, blend it out. I'm gonna do that on the other side. this. Time for eyeliner. I'm gonna take NK Makeup Liquid Eyeliner. I always start on the outer edges and just make a little flick. Something like that. And to make everything a little more latte-licious, we're going to add bronzer everywhere to our face. Two kinds of bronzers. Putty bronzer from e.l.f. and Absolute New York Dark. First, I'm gonna start this one. As you can see, this is very pigmented. And I'm gonna really work on blending it along with this e.l.f. bronzer so it looks more seamless. Just a little on the nose. Once I've done that, it's time to blend. That same foundation brush, we're gonna use that all over our face. Wherever you see harsh lines, blend away so that everything looks seamless. Okay, we're getting somewhere. A lot of last steps, but I'm gonna put a little bit of blush and highlight. I don't know, I just grabbed this. I got it from Sephora. It's like a peach blush. It's beautiful. Just a little, just something to pop a little more. Yay. And then I'm gonna grab this same LA Colors. I'm gonna use a little bit of this for highlight. Just a little. You guys see? C'est la vie. I've never done that before. I think it's a little too much, so I'm gonna blend with my foundation brush. Just blend that into the skin. Just a little. Make it look more natural. And I'm gonna use MEGAVOLUME mascara. Grab any mascara. Once I'm satisfied, it's time for lips. I'm gonna grab a black liner from LA Colors in black. Once I have that, I'm also going to grab, what is this? I just bought this. This is Wet n Wild Rose lipstick in Pecan Glaze. I'm gonna put that on the center of my lips. It's like a mocha brown, almost like my complexion. I'm gonna put that. It melted. That was weird. But I'm gonna use the leftover Pecan Glaze on my cheeks. Just blend it in a little. Just a little. I think that will help the latte look. So I'm not loving this lip color. Like, it is latte-licious, but come on. This is Ink Velvet 29. Now we're talking. A little bit of that with more lip liner. and we're done. Okay, I hope you guys see the Mochalicious. To me, it's there. It's so mocha. It's my version of mocha. Also like nude. This is my version of nude. You guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you like these makeup tutorials. Please like and subscribe. Peace, love, and the Holy Ghost.